We're going to an estate sale. We need to replenish our booth next week. We want to always bring that fresh vintage inventory to the flea market. And what else? Maybe a little bit of eBay. And, you know, some Instagram static sales mixed in there as well. You know, and then we have a recipe for our business, essentially, which just started with eBay. And we really thought after we did eBay, we started with eBay, that we didn't want to do the flea market, that we never wanted to have a booth, and that we never wanted to sell on Instagram. It seems like a trend with us. You know, initially maybe it's just like, all right, we're just doing this thing. And then we start adding, you know, the flea market and just how fun the flea is. The flea is the heart and soul of our business, and I think also the channel in a lot of ways. It's a place where we get to connect with people who love vintage and just love getting out and finding that treasure, and just the energy of a flea market and that kind of searching and discovering and learning. Really, I feel like I found my people at the flea. You know, I used to go when I was a teenager, and then I kind of just stopped going to the flea market, and I wish I could get those days back because I just can't get enough of it. So we're going to be selling this weekend at the flea market, and I'm just so excited about the stuff that we have this time around. It's just really unusual, different things. Check that video when it comes out. The stuff that we're going to be putting out is going to be slightly different. You know, it's still going to look like Earthly Delights, but a little bit different. Let's go to this estate sale. We're going to be standing in line for about an hour. Well, I am. And then Melissa's going to join us, and we'll go in and see what we can find. Morning.
Hi. Oh, you went right for them. Okay, I'll take it down. Okay.
He's my guy.
Oh, yeah?
We'll switch places there? Okay. Hey, how you doing?
I was thinking you should have videotaped that performance.
the trouble with tribbles.
The covers on these things are so amazing.
Oh, absolutely.
Do you mind if I just get... Okay, thank you. Hi.
Having fun?
Yes, it's very nice. Very nice collection.
Yeah.
Really nice. Yeah, everything's going well. How about you?
Be good after we get today under our belt.
You have one Friday too.
Next Friday.
Oh, okay. I'm
Thursday,
confused.
Friday, Saturday this week, and then Thursday, Friday,
The
Saturday
next week.
Yep.
Okay. Brain blip. Sorry. Yep.
With a knife.
Hey, what's happening?
I have a bag.
Ooh, whole earth.
I'm not sure I did it. I was going to throw stuff in the trunk today, but I said, maybe not. I figured I might see it.
Make it. Yep. This is our.
So, I'm not sure I'm committed to like every single one.
Oh, cool.
I don't know.
They're fun.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, do you have an extra bag?
Yeah.
Do you mind if I? Here, I'll grab it.
Here, take the big one. Take that.
All right. All right.
I just want to show. If you see if I missed any Twilight Zone, please.
clean paintbrushes. Photographs do not bend. Do the work. I thought this for the booth. Oh, I thought this for your dad. The puzzle with almost a zillion solutions.
Oh, you think it's all in there?
Don't know.
Oh, I don't know about that. I don't know.
I'll put that back. I thought maybe your dad would like it.
It's nice.
I need to check this.
Only if it was like...
I mean, he got them. I don't know where everything. They're great.
All right, I'm gonna put this back and this back.
Right.
I got like...
All right. Let me just turn the car on because it's hot. We need some air. Like I had said in the beginning, it was a lot of books, a lot of records. I did get a bunch of jazz box sets of some really good jazz musicians. CDs, yep. They were all right there, and so I did get those. I got some really cool books.
I got a ton of Twilight Zone magazines, which I don't know. I just thought they were really cool, and I don't know if they're if they sell much or not. But I really committed and got like every last one of them. So I hope it was a good choice.
They look really cool. I think it was a great buy. Even if we sell them at the flea market.
Oh, look how it is.
We did spend $350 on everything. But we got like, I don't know, 5 bags of things. If there's a couple books in there that are worth $100, which I feel like that inevitably happens. That there's like a couple books in there that are like really good. I think there might be a few.
I hope so, because
we spent a lot.
Yeah.
We spent more than what we thought we were going to spend.
Yeah.
But we got really great stuff. And like all of these. Oh, let me show you. The Forgotten Beasts of Eld. The Land That Time Forgot. I mean, they're just great covers.
Oh, yeah.
Savage Pellucidar Space Viking. Anyway, cool covers. And I think we'll sell them at the flea and at the booth. Well, I didn't get to record everything. There isn't going to be a haul video. It is what it is. You saw a nice, I think, cross-section of everything. I think it was fair, and I think we'll do well with it. Yeah.
All right.
See you for the next one.